Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, and a very good afternoon to all of you. I want to appreciate the efforts of Mr. Nasir Mir, of Amir Khan, and Mr. Imran Khalil. And most of all, ladies and gentlemen, I want to appreciate you for taking out time on a Sunday afternoon and gathering here in the United Kingdom. Ladies and gentlemen, you're gathered here for our party chairman and former Prime Minister, Mr. Imran Khan. You're gathered here because you believe in democracy in Pakistan. You're gathered here because you believe in the rule of law in Pakistan. You're gathered here as a sign of solidarity for the men and women who have been jailed in Pakistan. And why have they been jailed? Just ponder, take out a few moments and think about it. They have been jailed, ladies and gentlemen, because they have dared to dream that Pakistan can have genuine freedom of expression and the rule of law. Today, ladies and gentlemen, just for protesting, workers of Pakistan Tehreek Insaf are jailed. We've had people who have been jailed for picking up the flag of Pakistan Tehreek Insaf and going outside. Recently, in the town of Mardan, people gathered within the premises of Mr. Atif Khan, and they've had investigative reports, first information reports registered against them, charges leveled against them for holding a peaceful event within a person's house. In Hangu, Pakistan Tehreek Insaf people were baton charged. They were fired upon. Tear gas shells were fired at them, and they were charged and jailed. We have got countless men and women in jail today. We've had 10,000 people of Pakistan Tehreek Insaf jailed, ladies and gentlemen. These are facts to ponder. And just because we have dared to come out and say that enough is enough, we just want justice, we condemn the human rights violations taking in Pakistan, ladies and gentlemen. Just for a moment, ponder about Usman Dar, a companion and a friend of Imran Khan, a very close friend of mine, a brave young man who was picked up and abducted, taken to an unknown place, and after 27 days, brought before TV cameras and in a staged encounter with a media anchor, he was forced to give an interview in which he renounced Tehreek Insaf. His mother did not take that, and she has announced to contest elections. She is a strong lady, and we salute her courage. Similarly, Farooq Habib, picked up from Gwadar with his brother and brother-in-law, taken to unknown places. We don't know where they are. Mr. Sheikh Rashid Ahmed, taken to an unknown place. We don't know where they are. Mr. On Abbas Bappi, he was taken to an unknown place and then forced to give an interview. All these people, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Sadakat Abbasi, picked up, taken to an unknown place, and then all of a sudden, apparently brought to a TV channel that refused to air his interview and then released. We can't get in touch with him. Ladies and gentlemen, this has got to stop. All we want in Pakistan is free and fair elections. Let the people of Pakistan voice their opinion. Let the people of Pakistan vote for whomever they want to. Let us have real democracy in Pakistan, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. May Allah keep you in His protection. Khuda Hafiz.